Hey, let me show you how you can use camera pro mode on the Samsung S25. So all you have to do is just to go into more and now go into pro mode. And first of all, when you actually click on any parameter on this bar, like that, it will be selected with this yellow color. You can just click on this information icon where you can find short and to the point description what this feature what it's actually doing. So if you are gonna change it to the right side or to the left side, you can also check this on the preview, but here you can find cool and short description. As you can see, in the most cases of these parameters, we can find this manual adjustment, but also when you click here, you can set it up automatically. It looks the same for shutter speed, for focus. You can set manual focus, or you can get multi or center. There is the same for white balance, but there's only one parameter, exposure compensation, that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there's no automatic button. And right now, when you go into this right upper corner, you can also change matrix metering. When you change it, you can also find short description where you can use it. So in my case, good for, one more time, let's read the description. Good for close-up portraits and centered objects. At the top, we can change between 12 and 50 megapixel mode. And here we can additionally turn on camera flashlight. When you click right here, there's just simply change for lenses. So we can go for the telephoto lens, wide lens, and ultra wide lens. When you click right here, you can find some other options. Like for example, you can turn on shutter delay. There's also aspect ratio. Right here we can find some other photos parameters like contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and tint. And when you go into the next site, we can also find the matrix metering. And now we can just capture your photos. That's how it actually, that's how actually pro mode works.